Why does Switzerland protect everyone's health? A historical story. Switzerland, the land of mountains, clocks, and chocolate, hides another secret, one that shaped the lives of millions. It's not about wealth or war, but something far more human. Switzerland became the country that protects everyone's health. But how did that happen? To understand, we need to go back to the 19th century. In the early 1800s, Switzerland was not the rich, peaceful nation we know today. It was poor, rural, and divided into small cantons. Disease was everywhere. Cholera, typhoid, and tuberculosis swept through villages, killing thousands. Medical care depended on luck and money. If you were poor, you simply didn't get treated. Then came industrialization. As Swiss cities like Zurich and Geneva grew, so did the working class. And with them, terrible conditions in factories and slums. People began demanding something new: protection. The government slowly realized that a healthy population was essential for a strong country. In 1911, Switzerland passed its first national health law, the Health and Accident Insurance Act. It gave workers access to basic care and compensation for injuries. For the first time in history, health wasn't just a private matter. It became a national responsibility. Then came the 20th century. 2 world wars changed everything. While the rest of Europe was torn apart, Switzerland stayed neutral. But neutrality didn't mean safety. The Swiss government knew that in crisis, health meant survival. During World War II, Switzerland expanded its medical training programs, stockpiled medicine, and created one of the most organized public health systems in Europe. By the 1960s and 70s, Switzerland's economy was booming, and with that came a new idea: universal health protection. The country wanted a system where everyone, rich or poor, could see a doctor, get medicine, and stay healthy, but not through socialism or full state control. Instead, the Swiss chose balance, private insurance with public rules. In 1996, they made history again. The new health insurance law made insurance mandatory for every citizen. If you couldn't afford it, the government helped pay for it, and no company could deny you coverage for being sick, old, or poor. This model became a symbol of Swiss identity: fair, responsible, and deeply human. It's why today, Switzerland ranks among the healthiest nations on Earth, with one of the longest life expectancies and some of the lowest infant mortality rates. From the dark days of cholera to the modern age of medicine, Switzerland learned one truth: a healthy people make a strong nation. And that's why even today it protects everyone's health, not just as a policy, but as a part of its history.